Hisham. I am 22 years old. I study in Faculty of Engineering, taking the course Agriculture and Biosystem Engineering. I am an intern here at REDtone. REDtone IoT provides the needs of farmers to automate their farms. I saw that there is an opportunity that I can expand my knowledge more here at REDtone IoT. During my time at REDtone, I learned a lot of things about how to complete the SF1000, which is the device we use for smart farming system. During the 4 weeks of deployment, I learned a lot of things because at the site, we really have to do some critical thinking and change our plan immediately because we have to get the job done. Some things that I can say that I can be proud of myself because I have already improved my thinking skills, my critical thinking, and that I can use in the future. So that is a good experience for me. In the previous month, we went to Maha, and that is my first event with REDtone. So it was a great memory to be kept, and I can say that the technical team, the deployment team, and all the staffs in REDtone are very friendly and kind towards me, and that's why I want to express my gratitude for having me here, and I really had fun here.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Izzat Syahmi bin Muhammad Hamidan. I am 23 years old. Currently, I am taking Agriculture and Biosystem Engineering. Back during my second year of study, there was a subject called Bioinstrument. So, on that subject, we learned about Internet of Things, which we can call nowadays as IoT. So, what REDtone offered to me is basically the same as what the subject offered.
During my 10 weeks internship, I had learned many things, especially in technical stuff. In here, mostly I learned about wiring, soldering, and also many sensors include the system that used in IoT. Such as example, the soil sensor, ambient sensor, and CO2 sensor. And also I managed to learn about wiring in the CR component. Yeah, I really enjoy myself here. Thank you REDtone for the internship.
Thank you REDtone for the internship.